Hey, what's up, Pundix? This time Pundix is completely fails down. So what's the prediction to upcoming times? Pundix is moving upward or fails down. What's the update of Pundix? This time you can see here Pundix fails now. The price is goes down. The change occur is completely negative. So what's the prediction? What's the target? What's the opinion, my friend? Everything discussed in this video. Kindly before I get started video, I request you to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Alright, my friend, in the last 24 hours you can see here this time they're completely fails now. The change occur as minus 14.92%. They fails down just at all the last 24 hours. I can't expect these my friends to they fails down like this, but definitely here is no big jump, my friend. You can see this time they take a very short jump, but after this they also fails down very fastly, my friend. So if they cross the resistance line, therefore the change occur is a negative, my friend. So the change occur is a negative. So the main reason is that, my friend, to the people starting selling, especially the short time investor who invest for a short time, they are starting selling at the start of month, and this is main big reason, my friend, is that to this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrencies as fails down and the start of month, so definitely they are also fails down. So I hope, my friends, after this jump, after this fails, my friends, they also take a very good jump. They go a good jump, my friend. After a fails, they take a good jump. Remember, every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation, my friend. So the good time is coming soon for the X holder. You just wait. You need to wait, my friends, at the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit, my friend. So kindly don't sell it and wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire. Absolutely. I hope you enjoy this video. The target is, my friend, and this time you can see here 3.02 USD dollar as the latest price. And this time you can see here the latest price is 2.5 USD dollar. But I hope, my friends, they hit now $3 USD just at only again in the next 24 hours, my friend. I hope they hit it now. So half USD dollar, my friends, they give you profit just at only in a 24 hour. So why you are wasting your time? Kindly, if you want to invest, then absolutely this is good time because the price is going very cheap, my friend. So thanks for watching, holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Kindly subscribe the channel and press bell icon for videos notification.